Suck on the mother, man. All youth where they say 6 and no grown squash them and we learn about them. Or make you and them a chat and see. Anything you have them want it for borrow. And if you don't think and lend them your things or lend them your money, just watch what happen. You know a dead man if you don't talk. But me and a boy with them the blood clot boy they can ramp with the ear because I don't have to send man to go do nothing or send a man for no program.
No love now show up badness a truck. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him boy. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to L00k TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Anyone that will love and blessings in a brand new week. Yes, man, and this is Lion Foot Speak. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Saying, yeah, man, you don't know why I we say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion, zine, and thank you all for your continuous support. Viewers and subscribers, in this episode we have a brother we say I'm used to date squash mother. Him do a video now like him borrow some money from him and I want to pay him back. You see me? I don't know if it's fiction or facts, but you know what I mean? I'm going to use the word alleged allegations because I can't prove if it's true. But the video out there circulate, and I think he did an interview on the spot news media also. So a peace and love we say, you know, if them can start it out and squash it, we don't want no more violence in a Mobile or St. James or wherever, you know. A peace, love and unity, man. So I don't know, I'm not going to hear what I say, I only can leave on 2 cents in the comment section. And please, I'm going to like the content. Just click the like button, that's all. The more you like it, the more YouTube put it out there, you know what I mean? So the channel can get discovered. That's it. Blessed love, man.
I watch them on the Jvmp represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Pussy you have to pay me my money. $300,000 they owe me, then borrow $270,000 from me if you get boy out of jail. And then they borrow $15,000 from me again if you go take man out of jail again. And the last Sunday before me left $15,000 more again them borrow. Me can't get back for my money. Me can't get back for my money. Suck on the mother man, no 6 and no body I pay beg on beg and I pay borrow and borrow having pitney hungry I yard man. And the mama they hungry. Bad too. Not have food and yard. I do this because I want to know if a Bex I make one wrong move. Because me know how to get back my money out or no, or me know how to make you feel to get back my money. You hear me tell you now? Suck on the mother squash and squash mother go suck on the mother. Them boy they love sweets and blood clots. When you love sweets and beggy now. And I want to buy liquor for myself. I pay thief and thief you them things. And borrow the youth them things and no man can say nothing about the youth. No man can say nothing about it. I pay that on the door and when you look on the use crap and kill the youth them. If a man lend you no money or lend you something important and a man begs about it, want to do use crap and kill them youth. And when Big Vice did attack, you know, me did begs when Big Vice attack, you know, youth. Me did begs your bumbo clout. And I tell no lie. Me did begs when Big Vice attack. Then when me look, me see say, I see him thing, you come and try to do with me. Eh? Shelly, you can't get, remember you tell me so you make big, you and your son they make Big Vice family them dead at Costa Rica. You can't do my family them so, you know. You can't do my family them so, because Jamaica the whole away there. And I know where your love run go hide. Hotel rent. Well, every hotel got a camera and then got your blood clot picture and for you go there now and go just so then go know your son a pay for your hide. And you can't get nobody else to rent in Jamaica. And you can't take no plane fly go on no small island go hide because you have no visa. And they tell everybody around the world say you have visa. You don't have no visa for going away, man. You don't have no visa for going away. So you can't go up a Lily hotel up a Brandon Hill go hide. Lily cheap hotel. I know everywhere. So I only if you just start the styling. That's why I do this because I want to not feel bad. Because I know so people them know so no borrow my money and not pay me back. And then I want to start war on top of it. That I want to know if you do. Start war on top of it. You know, to blood clot beggy. And look how long I want to from the end of November. Yo, dog, I'm send my money now, man, because I'm thing to go deal with. Send me money, I'm thing to go deal. I want to do. Be a whole lot and money can't reach. I'm telling them, say, alright then, I'm going to take it to your life then and then I'm going to make we start the war then, you know. I want to do feast, I don't know nothing. You don't think I don't know nothing about you know. So what I want to do? Blood clot. Laugh and take it for fun. And I stop pray the youth them out for these things and stop pray next artist them. And go look tune squash. And go look blood and go put in the work and tap blood clot bad mind the youth them. Tap bad mind the youth them and go look work youth. When you grow same like when your mama. Only thing Bobby 6 worse than you is exactly his mother. I know the mama they sell the pussy at back road, but she want can borrow money from him and beg him. Him not tell us the bigger brother say yo, he must sell pussy on a back road here. When you nah talk so you must sell pussy on a back road. And the tune where Chronic Law do a say salt girl that have a Shelly. Because Shelly I try to get the dog pussy and dog not take it. You see me? Bad mind Chronic Law thing bad. Every day them get up. Them blood clot shot Chronic Law. And they on the boy name. And then they lead on to Tommy Lee name. And then they lead on to TJ name. And then they chat Jamal Dunce man for no reason. And Jamal Dunce man a boy will rate them and respect them. And then they on the man name every day. Shelly build fake phone number and sitting. And I text me like a Jamal man and me I get mad and I get corrupt. And one girl saying said to Shelly, say Shelly, stop do that. Stop do that. And he still continue to do it. Suck on the mother man. All youth where they say 6 and no grown squash them and we learn about them. Or make you and them a chat and see. Anything you have them want it for borrow. And if you don't think and lend them your things or lend them your money, just watch what happen. You know a dead man if you don't talk. But me and a boy with them the blood clot boy they can ramp with the ear because I don't have to send man to go do nothing or send a man for no program. You see me? All 6 suck on a mother man. For my team no beg. For my team no borrow. My team no beg and no borrow. You hear that? Suck on a mother. Brawling. I make the world know so no beggy. Enough of the youth them want to kill. Enough of the youth them want to say an informer. Nothing no go sir. Nothing no go sir. Nothing no go sir. You know, borrow the youth them money or you take something for the youth them and the youth them and say, yo, I want the thing. I want the thing I know in a dog. I want to do start give the man them bad vibes. Eh?
I got stressed out. I pressed
When I start giving you them bad vibes, I'm warning and telling myself, give me my money. And in not ear. And in not tap your son, in not done. You hear that? That me I tell you no pussy, in not done. And it not done until you no pay me my money. It not done until you no pay me my money, dog. And I'm last word that me have to say to you. It not done until you no pay me. Everybody I got ear with their ears now. And I don't know life when I go ear pan again, do ear with their ears. Remember me telling you people. Alright.
Boy, it no look good in it, no sound good enough. I have nothing much to say more than sort it out. Think before you act, put on the Glock. You see me I say? Don't make it blow out of proportion, don't commotion. And the blood no fear run on the body skin like lotion. Yeah man, fix things. No crime in St. James, please. I'm the man of peace. Blessed love.